So again, thanks, Jonathan. And our next speaker is Dan Pitt. So Dan is going to talk about Open Networking Foundation. This is the organization that is chartered with standardization of OpenFlow and promotion of OpenFlow and SDN. Dan serves as the executive director of ONF. And Dan has been my partner in doing this Open Networking Summit. I got to know him well in the last 3-4 months. So my conclusion is that Dan has been a perfect choice for being the executive director of Open Networking Foundation. Look at his background. He has been in networking for almost ever. He has seen, and then he took a sabbatical for 10 years when networking was not as interesting. He took 10 years sabbatical, now has come back to networking because of OpenFlow and SDN. That is what he says. He has worked at companies like IBM, HP, Bay, and Nortel. So you can see that he has enough experience of how large companies work. Okay. He has worked at a number of startup companies as well, but I decided not to list them. Then he has worked with a number of protocol stack. Actually, I should have listed SNA as well. I'm sure, Dan, you have worked with SNA, right? So he has worked with all these protocol stacks that we have invented over the years. And not only that, he has worked with all these standards organizations like IETF, IEEE, DAVIC, ATM Forum. I'm sure I'm forgetting a few more. So that is Dan's experience. So in order to come and kind of help with the Open Networking Foundation, he has kind of the perfect experience, expertise, connection, and some gray hair if you look closely enough. Okay? But I think in case of Dan, the ratio of wisdom to gray hair is one of the highest. Okay? So with that, here is Dan.